Welcome back today to Best Car Fixes and good morning. Today we have the same car that we're working on it. If you didn't watch the last video, you can watch it. This is the second one. Nissan Maxima 2016 with the electrical short that burned the ABS control module and all the harness on the firewall. We replace it, we fix it, and we have some diagnosis that we are going to check. We check it with the dealer tools, we try to erase them, we didn't. Also we have some code P0171, P0174, system tooling. We're gonna see that what causing it and why, what happened. So here we have the car, it's working now, it's running. We're gonna run a test using the tools that we have it here today. It is, this is part of what they call a hotel company. Hotel have like 5, 6, 7 different tools. So I'm gonna go to Diagnose, and it's already get me the VIN number. Quick, this is very fast. I don't know what is a CPU, the central processing unit, what the speed it has it, but it look like it's very good. So I'm gonna say okay. I don't need, I'm gonna go stand alone. I will say okay. The car is running now. I have the VIN number. I will say okay. Now it will give me the information of the car, Maxima 2016. I will say okay. Here is the topology of the car. All the code, I mean all the computer are here, and this color means it's not scanned yet. If it's scanned, either return to green or gray, or red if there is no communication. So let me go to control unit. This is by names, if you want to scan by one. I want to talk about one thing before we go further. To the engine, I have a code, and this code, you may get it across all cars. Okay, I'm going to go to trouble code. You may get this code across all cars. If you have P0171 or P0174, I'm talking about these two here. Fuel system lean, bank 2. Those codes, and then it will create multiple misfire. This code here, 1212, is something wrong with the ABS and traction circuit. You can go to the ABS and look at that. But this P0171, P0174, system tooling, that means there is too much air coming into the car, not through the throttle body, not through the accelerator system. There is too much air coming into the car, and the computer try to push it back to make it rich, but it couldn't. So the amount of the air exceed the amount of the gas that is in the car. The same thing, you can get it if you say system rich, that means the amount of the gas is too much than the air. Okay, let's go ahead and check what happened. When you have any system like this, first of all, try to see, smoke the car, and try to see if there's any, it could be a lot of reasons, but one of the reasons, see if there's any leak, any vacuum leak, because the system is sealed and the air that going into the engine is measured, especially when the car is new. You need, and you see the check engine light is on. So what you need to do is you have to go slowly first. If you have a smoke machine, smoke the car, and also visually inspect the car. Inspect the car visually. All the vacuums, if nothing is disconnected or anything is outside, then you go back and do a smoke machine, because sometimes smoke machine will penetrate and come out through places that you cannot see it. The muffler all the way down, we don't need no leak. P0171 and P0174, and this is generic code. That means this code, you can get it into Toyota, in Honda, in GM, in BMW, in Mercedes, in all cars. It is an OBD2 code that the Association of Automotive Engineering, they agree to it that this code is generic. You can get it to all other code. Then you can go further, and in other code, every manufacturer now, they come with their own codes, because when they come with those B code, there is no some module that fitted in the car. So now you're gonna see a code with a different number, with a different like A00D, something like that, with a different information. We finish with this one. Let's go ahead and just have a look and see what can we see in front. We're going to do a physical inspection. This car, as I told you before, we have a burn. The car was get fire from electrical short, and if you saw the first video, you know what happened into it. I have this wire here. All the burning wire you see here is from the old. You see, this is ABS control module get burned. This is a good wire that is here, and this is a connector to the ABS. And this one here, one side is good, the other side is for the power steering. We did our best to fix and get the thing running by fixing all the wires. As you see here, we're gonna tape those wires. You see the big wire here also. This one is for the power steering. Now you see physical, you hear some noise, some air, like I hear like some air. And also try to look all the wires. You see this wire here, be sure that nothing is burned. But if you come here, you see in this area here, you see this hose. This is a vacuum hose that going maybe to the booster, brake booster. Be sure that no leak on it. But if you go back to the PCV valve, this is the PCV valve, by the way. This is the PCV valve. Look here. If you look here, this burn and collapse. You see? You see here? It's burn and collapse. You see? This can create vacuum leak. And it's already gone, you see? It's already collapsed. If I open it, you can hear air sucking. See? So we don't need this air. It's already closed because it's collapsed. And this is the PCV valve. We're gonna check this. We take it out. Maybe we have to replace a new one. If the PCV valve is still good, okay. If it's not, you have the idea. I believe this heat messed up this PCV valve. I'm gonna buy brand new PCV valve. This is the location of the PCV valve. You see here, we have this piece. I'm not sure if it's still good or not. Yeah, it look good. The fire here is not bad. I don't have nothing. Thank God. But this is one of the cause. You see, it's already collapsed. If I open it, you're gonna hear something. You see the engine change. So this one, you're gonna look, if you have another car, look for this kind of stuff. And this one can cause the code P0171 P0171 or P0174. That's one of the reasons. So we are just putting this car together, and just to show you what we see. Now we're gonna go quick, erase all these codes. I'm gonna turn the engine off, ignition on. Okay, let me turn the light here. I'm gonna erase this code. First I want to go back to issue information. No, I gotta escape this, and I'm gonna go to different. I'm gonna go to topology. I'm gonna go to scan, auto scan, and now I will full code. I will scan the whole car. You see now I start scanning. If there is a code, it will be gray. Engine computer have 4 codes, 5 codes. ABS have 3 codes, and so on. ABS have 3 codes. AB, I don't know what that means. AB means. Let me see. Okay, let's check everything. BCM, body control module. Those, they have a lot of different names that we don't know what it is, but we have to spend some time on it. After I check, I just want to delete all the codes. We are only 34%, 43%, and we have 22 codes. I did this one with the Nissan original tools, but when I try to delete the codes, it freezes. Maybe the load is too much for it. %. Still, those blue is not scanned yet. Take your time and fix those stuff one by one. I'm gonna get I will get that PCV valve and the hose. The hose, you can get any hose, the same measurement. Plug it in and put the clamps. See, HLL. For example, when the item is gray, maybe there is nothing there. It's not belong to the car, for example. So now we have all this. I'm gonna go to report to see what happened. Okay, this is only the report, but the detail is gonna be in. You know, here we have like the engine, ABS, brake fluid level low, vacuum sensor circuit, left rear sensor. We have those codes. Okay. We are not going to tape this wire till we are sure that at least everything is okay. Occupant sensor unit abnormal voltage, ignition voltage low, that's for the ABS. Air pressure monitor for the tire. We have power supply, pass. You see here, all these codes are passed. You see here, everything is passed. Pass is okay. Those are the code. As long as it says pass, it's not a problem. Okay, I will skip this one. What do you need to do? No. Okay, I'm gonna go back again and I will quick erase. As soon as I do the quick erase, the pass will never come back. Wherever is available, you see they start getting green. Some of them, they're still there. You see? MAV, I'm not sure what is that. But from 60 something codes, they start getting better now. You see, like we're stuck in this one. I don't know what is MAV. That's why maybe last time also with the dealer tools we getting trouble. So this is not available. This not belong to this car. 1, 2, 3 is not belong to this car. 4 computer not belong to the car. LR, we have 2 codes. SRL is good. You see now we have ABS and LR codes. That's good news. Let's see report. So we have 3 codes. IPDM, Intelligent Power Control Module. Laser radar. ECD mode malfunction. Vehicle speed circuit is okay. And then we have brake. We have ABS. We have 3 codes on ABS. We have a laser radar. Because we have some sensors that are not available. Okay, we're gonna bleed the brakes, we're gonna do the other jobs, and then we continue diagnose those stuff after. So I'm gonna go back now. Okay, and we're gonna go start the car. We're gonna fix the PCV valve and that hose. We don't need no leak. We're gonna bleed the brakes, and then we see what code we have: the collision and the ABS and the parking, because of the sensor that is there. The bumper sensor are not available. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe, share, and like, and I see you in another video. Muhammad Idris.